Big news, SUV fans. The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee is here, and it's packing more than just a facelift. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know: price, size, engines under the hood, and of course, the release date. Jeep's flagship SUV has always been about blending rugged off-road grit with upscale comfort, but this new model is sharper, smarter, and more versatile than ever. So, if you've been waiting to see how Jeep plans to keep the Grand Cherokee ahead of the pack, stick around. This is the one you don't want to miss. Exterior design and styling. The first thing you'll notice is the bolder stance. Jeep gave the 2026 Grand Cherokee a cleaner, more aerodynamic look, slimmer LED headlights, a refined 7-slot grille, and stronger body lines that make it feel more athletic. It sits slightly wider, giving it a planted, confident profile. Available blacked-out trim packages or off-road styling cues like skid plates let you tailor its personality. Luxury on the boulevard or rugged out in the wild. Interior comfort and tech step inside, and it feels like Jeep finally nailed that sweet spot between luxury SUV and practical family hauler. Premium materials, supportive seating, and a dash layout centered around a sharp 12-inch touchscreen set the tone. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple USB-C ports, and available rear seat entertainment. Higher trims add ventilated second-row seats and a panoramic roof, so even long trips feel upscale. Engines and performance powertrain options start with a refined V6 that balances efficiency with everyday punch. For those who crave more muscle, Jeep offers a turbocharged V8. And yes, you can spec a mild hybrid system to improve torque and fuel economy. Paired with an 8-speed automatic, it delivers smooth, confident acceleration whether you're merging on the freeway or towing the boat. Off-road. Capability. Of course, no Grand Cherokee would be complete without serious trail cred. The 2026 model brings multiple 4x4 systems, selectable drive modes, and available air suspension that can raise ground clearance for rock crawling or drop down for easy loading. The Trailhawk trim remains the off-road hero, with locking differentials and skid plates that laugh in the face of mud and gravel. Safety and driver assistance on. The safety side, Jeep adds next-gen driver assist tech. Adaptive cruise with lane centering, blind spot steering, emergency braking, and even night vision assist on higher trims. It's all about confidence on the road without feeling overbearing. Trims, price and release. Date, you'll see familiar trims: Laredo, Limited, Overland, Summit, and Trailhawk. Pricing starts in the mid-$40,000 range, with well-equipped upper trims climbing into the mid-$60,000s. As for release timing, Jeep says expect availability in showrooms toward the end of 2025 as a 2026 model. Final verdict. So here's the takeaway. The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee doesn't just refine, it evolves. More style, smarter tech, stronger powertrains, and off-road DNA that's still unmatched in this class. If you want an SUV that can commute in comfort Monday through Friday and take on the wilderness by Saturday, this Jeep should be high on your list.